Hey guys, inside this course I will show you how we find the winning products, winning trending products based on Google Trends. And I don't want to bluff you, and I don't want to show you some screenshots and all of that, because I don't believe in that. It's not my beliefs. So what I want to teach you here inside this course is how we make over millions of dollars every year on finding with our method the winning products. And I will guide you step by step what to do, and what is the first step that you should take with Google Trends, and what is the second, and what is the third, which shows you how to find the real actual product that sells like crazy right now, on the previous 2, 3, 5 days. Also, if you purchase my course, you're gonna see inside the course case study that how we generate in 3 months over $100,000 on the previous 3 months. Right now it's live, it's still working. So hope you enjoy my course, and thank you so much.